DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a Hobby Lobby haul, and hopefully this will be the last of the hauls. I keep walking around and finding stuff that I've been putting to the side and not sharing, and I just want to hurry up and get these hauls up so that I can share some of the projects I've been working on. Okay, so I picked up these scissors, and here's the designs on them. I had a couple of them, but I can't find them. And these were from the Paper Studio, and they were 50% off. And I think everything that I show you is 50% off in this haul. I picked up some crepe paper, and these were the colors that I decided to grab this time. I love that mint. It's called a cool mint. And then I grabbed the brown, the gray, and the white. So they had these little buckets right here that were a part of the spring collection, I believe, and these were 50% off. So I did grab 2 of these, but inside of these I'm just going to grab some of the items that I purchased. So they had these gold paper clips from the Paper Studio, and these are the bigger ones. I probably should have grabbed 2, but I just grabbed the one. And they had these brads and the eyelets, and I got them because, again, they were all 50% off, and there's 100 of each color in there. Okay, and they are from the spare parts collection, and again, all of these were 50% off. They had these metallic gold clothespins, and I just thought they were too cute. And you could always just take your clothespins apart and spray paint them yourself, but this kind of saved me time, and for the price it wasn't that bad. All right, and then the last thing that I picked up was just these little floral bits, and this I will be using in some crafting as well. So in the second little container that I grabbed like this, I just have all of these trims, and the first one is this one right here. Okay, love that. And then I'm not going to go through each one of these trims. I'm just going to sit them up so that you can see them. And these were all 49 cents each, so I just grabbed them. And then here's the storage idea if you wanted to. I grabbed some of the paper pads, and on the front here you can see what each one of those papers look like. So this one is called Wild and Free. Then we have this one, it's called Denim and Pearls. Terrace Blooms. I love foil. Mint Berry. This one is called So Sweet, and once I got home and flipped through it, I was kind of wondering like why I even purchased this one, but I mean, you can always use cardstock. You can always put it to use. And then the last one that I grabbed is this one, and it's called Meant to Be Fab. And look at that foil. I also grabbed this pearlized cardstock sheet pack. They had some of their papers were like for $4, so I grabbed this wood one, and these are 12 by 12 sheets. I grabbed that one. I also grabbed this one, and one fell, just a repeat of the other one. So those were the 4 that I grabbed. I did get some white foam. I mean, we all know what foam looks like, but I want to do some more shaker projects. I was in need of some vellum, so this was 50% off. You get 25 sheets, and they do have the vellum in different finishes. And I grabbed these gemstones. I just thought they were so pretty. They are gorgeous, and you get a pretty good amount, so you can do a lot with these. Next up, we have the LOL stamps. These are clear stamps, And you guys already know how I feel about clear stamps. I normally purchase from the Sassy Club, but I just had to have these because I want to do some shaker tags. I was in the store and saw that they had some tags, and I'm like, I could just buy the stamps, color them the way I want, and make my own. So I just thought these were so cute. These, it's a 15 pack of the 3-ring albums, but I figured I could just make some shaker packs out of these since they're technically somewhat finished. I have my little tool that I can use, but for the most part the size is there for what I want to use them with. And again, they were only they were 50% off, so I decided to grab them. They had some clearance sheets, so I grabbed this. This is like a finished scrapbook page, so I actually grabbed 2 of them because I plan to use them for something specific, like some backgrounds for my nail pictures. And then I did get this little scrapbook kit, so you get these stickers. This one is the pastels and blooms paper crafting kit. So this is everything that you get with it. Let me show you the back. And I feel like you can just never go wrong with these because you get so much, and considering it was 50% off, thought it was a really good deal. And then you guys, I saw that the glitter was on clearance, and I am going to try my best to fly through this glitter paper because it's going to get everywhere. So I got this silver one. I picked up this green one. This coral glitter, I absolutely love this. This green glitter. This gold glitter. And this one is definitely not picking up true to color because it's more like a soft champagne gold. And then I picked up multiple sheets of this glitter paper. Look at that. I always feel like glitter is so hard to pick up on camera. This is another of that pastel or champagne gold. This orange glitter. We have this like opal glitter. I love it. I got multiple sheets of this because this one works for so many different types of themes, and it was again 49 cents, so I just grabbed a couple. And then I got this one because that is gorgeous, and it reminds me of my daughter Giselle. She loves pink and anything that is like Barbie. Then I got this blue, this lighter blue. Jeez, I really stocked up on that champagne gold. And then they had these little sheets right here. I did get them and I thought they were really cute, so I grabbed a couple of them. And then the last thing that I grabbed was this one right here. This is a scrapbook paper sheet. Alright, so that's everything that I picked up in this haul. I hope you all saw something that you enjoyed, and please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.